Yeah, I love the idea of a tiny house, and it would give me more free money and more free time, a simpler lifestyle, a smaller environmental footprint. Heck, I might even work fewer hours. Yeah, but then I saw this tiny house on YouTube the other day, 160 tiny square feet with a nice big fat price tag of $35,000. Kind of makes me feel like I could never have a home of my own. I live paycheck to paycheck, you know. How can I ever change my life so that I can have a home of my own? So, you want a tiny house with a lower cost? That would be great, but 160 square foot seems kind of cramped, you know? What if I told you that you could have your own tiny house with a real bathroom, a real kitchenette, a real living area, and a real bedroom that you don't even have to scurry up a little ladder to get into? What if you tell me how? What if I told you that it's possible to build your own materials to construct your tiny house from, and you can build your own house for under $8,000? What? How? I could show a minimum wage earner how to have their own house on their own land and take 2 entire months off for vacation within 2 years of starting for nothing at the most. Okay. Tell me how. So does owning your own home and not being committed to a bank payment and spending a month or two in Fiji within 1 or 2 years sound like a good idea that you want to know more about? It does. Tell me more. Okay. Well, you sign up for our workshop and you'll learn to do all of this and more. Our workshop is the most complete, well-rounded workshop anywhere. There is nothing offered like it anywhere else. The value exceeds anything that you're going to find at any price.